Crash Course on Thai Society, an overview of Thai society, including social norms, customs, and beliefs. Of course, let's dive into a crash course on Thai society. Thailand is a country with a rich cultural heritage, and its society is deeply influenced by Buddhism, which has shaped its values and customs for centuries. Thai people are known for their warm hospitality and kindness towards visitors, and their social customs reflect this attitude. One of the most prominent customs in Thai society is the concept of sanuk, which means to have fun and enjoy life. Thais are known for their love of festivals and celebrations, and this spirit of enjoyment is evident in many aspects of their daily lives. Another important aspect of Thai society is the concept of jai yen, which means to have a cool heart. Thais value emotional self-control and believe that staying calm and collected in all situations is essential for maintaining harmony and avoiding conflict. Respect for elders is another important value in Thai society. Younger people are expected to show deference to their elders, and elders are treated with great reverence and respect. This is reflected in the use of formal language and gestures of respect when addressing elders. Family is also highly valued in Thai society. Thai families tend to be close-knit and often live in multi-generational households. Parents are respected and honored, and the bond between parents and children is considered sacred. The practice of giving and receiving way is another important social custom in Thailand. The way is a gesture of respect, where the hands are placed together in a prayer-like position and raised to the forehead or chest. Thais use the way to greet others, show respect, and express gratitude. Thailand is also known for its "my pen rai" attitude, which means never mind or no worries. This phrase reflects the Thai belief in the impermanence of things and the importance of living in the present moment. Thais tend to be relaxed and easygoing, and this attitude contributes to the country's reputation as the land of smiles. Other important social customs in Thai society include the practice of grang jai, or not wanting to trouble others, the importance of face, or social status and reputation, and the use of indirect communication to avoid conflict. Now, let's list and describe the top 12 Thai popular social norms, customs, and beliefs. Sanuk, the concept of having fun and enjoying life. Jai yen, emotional self-control and staying calm in all situations. Respect for elders, showing deference to older people. Family values, close-knit families and honoring parents. Way, a gesture of respect and gratitude. My pen rai, a relaxed and easygoing attitude. Grang jai, not wanting to trouble others. Face, social status and reputation. Indirect communication, avoiding conflict. Loyalty to the monarchy, respect for the Thai royal family. Buddhism, a deeply ingrained belief system that influences daily life. Superstitions, beliefs in ghosts, spirits, and supernatural forces. In summary, Thai society is deeply influenced by Buddhism and values such as respect for elders, family, and emotional self-control. Thai people are known for their warm hospitality and relaxed, easygoing attitude, and their social customs reflect this spirit of enjoyment and harmony. Now, let's end this crash course with a poem and a song about Thai society. Poem. The land of smiles, where hospitality reigns, and festivals and celebrations never wane. With customs steeped in ancient lore, Thai society is unlike any other. Respect for elders and family bonds. Way and jai yen, the list goes on. Grang jai and face, subtle cues. These are the customs. Sure, here's a song about Thai society. Verse 1. In the land of smiles, hospitality's the key. Thai society's known for its graciousness, you see. Respect for elders, always give the way. No shoes inside, that's the Thai way. Chorus. Thai society, so friendly and kind. Generosity's always on their mind. From the food to the temples, the traditions they uphold. Thai society, so rich and bold. Verse 2. In Thailand, face saving's a big deal. Avoid confrontation, that's the real deal. Save your criticism for another day. Speak softly and respectfully in what you say. Chorus. Thai society, so friendly and kind. Generosity's always on their mind. From the food to the temples, the traditions they uphold. Thai society, so rich and bold. Bridge. From the north to the south, and everywhere between. Thai society, a beautiful scene. With the monarchy and the Sangha too. Thai society, a treasure to view. Chorus. Thai society, so friendly and kind. Generosity's always on their mind. From the food to the temples, the traditions they uphold. Thai society, so rich and bold. Outro. In Thailand, you'll always feel at home. Thai society, a family you'll never be alone. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.